How to use the dictionary app in Helperbird. Right-click on a word you wish to define. Go to Helperbird, Dictionary, click Explain Word. The dictionary app will open, showing the meaning, etymology, synonyms, and antonyms of the word you selected. Related words are clickable and will bring you to their own definitions. Another way to access the dictionary app is to click the Helperbird icon, scroll down to Dictionary, and click Open. This will launch the dictionary app. Using the search bar at the top, you can search any word you wish to define.